Hello, boys. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you will fine. It's a pleasure to be in contact to you again. Okay, now today we are going to talk about food. Let's go to start our class. We are talking about different kind of food around the world and adjective foods. Okay, let's start, boys. First of all, you have to answer this question. Name your favorite food and drink. In my personal case, my favorite food is pasta and my favorite drink is lemonade. Okay? Now, please, I need you to answer this question and think on your favorite food and drink. You have many options. Okay, maybe your grandma prepares a delicious food you like a lot, or your mother, or even you. If you like to cook, you prepare some delicious things. Are there any food you don't like it? Yes, I suppose that. There are many foods we don't like it. Look this picture. This is an apple. That is an apple covered. It looks like worms. We don't know, but it looks horrible, right? Yes. Are there any food you don't like it? In my case, I don't like. I don't like. I don't know. There are many things that I don't like it, but in this moment I don't remember. But answer this question, please. It says, what food from other countries would you like to try? Chinese food. Maybe Chinese food you tasted because in Mexico there are many Chinese restaurants, right? Now it looks delicious and it tastes delicious, right? This is an example of Chinese food. Italian food. Most of the time, the famous dishes from Italy is pasta. Okay? It looks delicious. Look at the picture of Spain food. It looks like a cake, but this cake is made of egg. Mm, it looks delicious. Now, let's go to start. Food adjectives. Here we have some examples: sweet, salty, spicy, bitter, sour. This is our first adjective, cooked. Look at the picture because very important. You look at the picture to understand the adjective, cooked. Make sure it is cooked. The second adjective would be baked. I like baked potatoes for lunch. Bake is a dish when you put in the oven, okay? Bake. Bitter. The coffee is bitter. Even some dark chocolate is bitter. Bitter is opposite of sweet, okay? It taste is not so sweet. That would be bitter. Frozen. In my personal opinion, I don't like frozen foods. Okay? Keep some frozen vegetables in the freezer. Okay? Frozen. They need the freeze to keep good. The next, grill. I like grilled steak. Look, it looks delicious. Sometimes when we join with our family, we make grilled steak outside of our houses, right? Roast. Look at the difference between grill and roast. My favorite food is roast fish. Okay? Look at this. Sticky. Sticky is something it paste in your fingers. Sticky. Okay? There are many kind of sticky food. That's why I write. Food sticky looks horrible. That would be. I don't like sticky food. Raw. Raw. I don't like raw onions. In this case, we have a picture of raw kitchen. But many people eat raw onion. I don't like to eat raw onion because I need that the onion cook with a delicious oil and salt and something like that. But in my personal opinion, I don't like to eat raw onion. Okay? I like to eat cooked onion. The opposite of raw is cooked. Next, spicy. Spicy food makes me feel bad. That's why in Mexico we eat all days spicy food because this is something traditional for us. Okay, now but sometimes makes me feel bad. Spicy food. If I say hot spicy is when you eat a lot of chili, but spicy food could be onions, garlic, or something like something hard to the dish, right? That would be spicy. Juicy. Look at the example, boy. Juicy, it doesn't mean that it's an orange juice or something like that. No, juicy is the you can eat juicy meat. Okay, you can eat a juicy fruit. Example, that would be if I say the watermelon is very juicy. Okay, could be talking about food, fruit, something like that. Salty. Okay, look at the picture. Avoid to eat salty food because if we eat a lot of salty food, it is a little bit bad for our health, right? Let's go to continue with the next. Hard. Lobster is hard. Look at the picture. In Mexico, we have many food that is hard. The opposite of hard, that would be soft. Look at the cake. If you touch the cake, you feel soft. This cake is very soft. Now, look the next picture. Crispy. Crispy chicken is delicious. Yeah, it looks delicious. In my personal opinion, I like crispy food. But you can eat crispy potatoes. Okay, you have many options. Sour. Lemon is always sour. Yes, that would be. It's something when you taste, your face says, I don't like it. It's a little bit hard. It taste. Okay, right? Lemon is always sour. It's opposite of sweet too. Now the next, dry. Dry is the opposite of juicy. I never eat dry meats. I like eat juicy food. Okay, dry it's opposite of juicy. Okay, boys, here we have the adjectives from food. Now, boys, let's go to continue. We are going to make an exercise. Here we have complete each sentences with the correct opposite of the adjective involved. Here we have, look, meat should be always be and not dry. Okay, boys, dry is the opposite of juicy. That would be. Okay, here we have to identify the opposites. Here we have. Do you prefer sweet foods like chocolate? Chocolate is sweet, but dark chocolate is bitter. Okay? Do you prefer sweet food like chocolates or food like crispy? Okay, in this case, you can if you are talking about crispy, opposite of sweet, raw, no, because opposite of raw is cooked. Soft, no, because the opposite of soft is hard. Okay, here you have, you can say salty could be the opposite of sweet, and sour could be the opposite of sweet. Let's go to read again. Do you prefer sweet food like chocolate or crispy, salty? Because all the crispy food is salty. Next, some kinds of tofu are quite hard, but others are very okay. Here we have the adjective hard. What is the opposite of hard? Raw? No, because the opposite of raw is cooked. Sour? No, because the opposite of sour could be sweet. Soft? Okay, that could be. The opposite of soft is hard. Hard, soft. Oranges are sweet, but lemons are. What is the opposite of sweet, boys? That's right. That could be sour. The next one. You can eat peppers either or cook. What is the opposite of cook? Raw. Excellent. That would be raw. Remember that you can eat raw peppers, onion peppers, even some meats you can eat raw, okay? But it is a personal opinion about the food. What kind of food do you like it? Okay? Now, boys, let's go to check if we're right. Okay, perfect. We are right. Now, I want you to pay attention and please, I need you to watch a video because this video is talking about different kind around the world, the most important food around the world. You have to pay attention what food would you like to try? What food would you like to try in this case? And you are going to write on your notebooks the kind of food would you like to try and investigate about the ingredients, right? Now we are going to play the video to watch what would be your favorite food. You are going to print a picture of your favorite food, talking about around the world, not only Mexico. You can talk about Spain, Japan, China. Okay, that would be in any country. There are different kind of food, but when you look at the picture, you say, "I would like to try this food because it looks delicious." Okay, you have to investigate a dish, a food would you like to try, and print this picture on your notebook and investigate the ingredients. That would be for homework. I am going to give you some examples about food and pay attention, boys, because some of them looks delicious. Okay, boys, that could be. Okay, you watch many kind of different food around the world. Okay, in our country there are many kind of food, but even if you go to another state from your country, the food is a little bit different, right? Okay, that would be for homework today. You are going to print your favorite food because you like it, because you see the picture and you like it a lot, and you can say, oh, I would like to try this food. Pay attention. You aren't talking about food you already eaten. No, you are going to talk about a food you never tasted. Okay, that would be the point. What kind of food would you like to try? You are going to investigate first of all. You have to watch the picture and say, I would like to try this food. Okay? You are going to print the picture, paste it in your notebook, and investigate the ingredients. Okay? That would be the homework for today. Remember, when you are talking about the food, to use some adjectives. Okay? This food, it looks delicious because it's soft. I don't know. You have to use all the adjectives we already have seen in this lesson. I hope you enjoy the class, boys, and I hope you choose the best food would you like to try. Okay? Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.